Hello, friends. So, I've had a few requests from people who have been watching my Facebook page, and I've been posting some sugar-free recipes that I've been making to do a couple of video tutorials. So, this is going to be on how to do a sugar-free cranberry recipe. We're going to start off with list of ingredients. It's really simple. You're going to need 1 bag of fresh cranberries. You are going to need half a cup of water. And then I use a 1/4 cup of Swerve confectionery blend and a 1/4 cup of sucralose. You can use half a cup of one or the other. I kind of like the Swerve because it gives it a little better texture, but just beware that the Swerve is definitely pricier than sucralose. So if you're going budget friendly, you can totally just use half a cup of sucralose in this recipe. I get mine at Aldi, and I ordered the Swerve off of Amazon Prime. We are going to take all of our ingredients and we are just going to put them into our pan. Okay, I am going to start with the water. And next, I'm going to add my full bag of fresh cranberries. And then come over here and just pour right in my Swerve and sucralose. And then I'm going to turn on the burner. And I'm going to mix this together and bring it to a boil. Okay, so I'm going to put the lid on this and then just start to let it heat up. Once our cranberries start to boil, we are just going to turn the heat down to a simmer. Give that a little stir here. And we are going to let that simmer for 10 minutes. So our cranberries have been simmering for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to take the lid off. I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to use a little masher here to mash them up. Okay, we went pretty simple with this, but you could even add like a little orange zest or like lemon zest if you want to make it a little extra fancy, but you don't have to. And there we go, friends. That's it. We did a sugar-free cranberry sauce. So remember, friends, that while I am super passionate about exercise, I think it's the best thing you do for your health. When it comes to overall health, and especially when it comes to weight management, it's really important to concentrate on healthy eating. Okay, so whenever we can make something healthier, take some of the sugar out of our diet, that's a good thing. Have a great day, everyone. Hope to see you again soon.